Hello. If you have received this video, it means that you need a panoramic radiograph to proceed with your treatment. Here are some instructions to ensure that the exam is carried out successfully. First, all metallic objects must be removed from the head and neck region, such as earrings, necklaces, prostheses, or removable appliances. A lead apron will be placed to ensure protection against X-ray radiation. Next, the positioning process begins. First, hold the hand support with both hands. Your feet should be positioned slightly forward and kept close together. The lower part of your chin should rest on the support in front of you, and you will be asked to bite on a bite block. This bite block has a small groove where the front teeth should fit. If you are missing teeth, do not worry. The professional will use another device. In these cases, the front part of your chin should rest on the support. The professional will observe reference lights emitted by the machine that reach your face. They may gently adjust your head to ensure everything is correctly aligned. They may also gesture to indicate that your lips should remain closed, and they will adjust the supports near your temples. Another gesture will indicate that your tongue should be positioned against the palate, that is pressed against the roof of your mouth. After confirming the correct positioning, the professional will leave the room and activate the machine. At this moment, it is important to remain completely still. The machine will rotate around your head, but do not worry, this is normal. Once the radiograph is obtained, the professional will check the image quality. If no repetition is necessary, the procedure is finished and you may step away from the machine. Now you know how the exam is performed. We wish you success with your treatment. Thank you for your attention.